Cleaner 10.9.2 Build 808 is a versatile and efficient disk management tool designed to enhance system performance by cleaning up unnecessary files and optimizing disk space. Developed by Wise Cleaner, this software offers an intuitive interface and advanced features to help users declutter their computers, making it an essential utility for both casual and professional users. The primary function of Wise Disk Cleaner is to identify and remove junk files, temporary system files, and residual data left by applications. Its fast and accurate scanning engine ensures that users can quickly locate and delete unnecessary files that consume valuable disk space. The software supports cleaning for both system-generated files and third-party applications, making it a comprehensive solution for managing disk clutter. Beyond basic cleaning, Wise Disk Cleaner includes a powerful disk defragmentation feature. This tool reorganizes fragmented data on traditional hard drives, improving file access speeds and overall system performance. By scheduling regular defragmentation, users can maintain a consistently optimized system without the need for manual intervention, which is especially beneficial for HDD users. The software also prioritizes user safety by allowing a preview of files before deletion. Customizable settings enable users to define which file types or locations to include in the cleanup, ensuring that critical data remains untouched. Additionally, Wise Disk Cleaner supports cleaning web browsers, removing cache, cookies, and browsing history to enhance privacy and free up even more space. Compatible with Windows operating systems, Wise Disk Cleaner 10.9.2 Build 808 is a reliable and easy-to-use tool for improving system performance and managing storage efficiently. Whether you're looking to free up space, boost your computer's speed, or maintain a clutter-free environment, Wise Disk Cleaner provides the tools needed to keep your system running at its best.